I wrote damn good on the thumbnail, but for whose? This video is a review of the iPad mini 2021. In terms of design, this tablet weighs 293 grams and its thickness is 6.3mm and its size is 8.3 inches. As the name implies, this tablet aims to be small and portable, and it has really achieved this goal, and even because of its excellent weight balance and low thickness, it is really more comfortable than other tablets. But like last year, the middle frame design and the overall design of the tablet are flat, which some people like, and some like me prefer the curved design, especially in large dimensions like the tablet. The middle frame and back panel are made of aluminum and the front panel is protected by glass. The body material of the iPad mini 6, although the tablet is not very expensive, completely conveys the feeling of a flagship tablet with a premium body material. On the back panel is a camera with a flash under the camera, and the Apple logo is large in the center, which is really attractive for people like me who like minimalist design. On the front panel is a display that has a large bezel in appearance, but is almost the same as iPad Pro bezel, and because it has a smaller display it is more noticeable, but in general it is almost suitable for a tablet that should avoid unwanted touches due to its large size. This device only supports the new generation of Apple Pencil that you have to buy separately, but there is a magnet in the middle frame that acts as a holder. Pen performance has also improved and become faster. The iPad mini also supports the keyboard, which of course I recommend for the iPad Pro due to its large display. The display of this tablet is a liquid retina IPS LCD with QHD resolution and has a pixel density of 327 ppi. The colors on this display are very accurate, but the contrast and depth of black is not much and does not support HDR content, but it has a True Tone technology which causes less eye tire by changing the type of display light according to the ambient light. The brightness of this display is also not good and it produces about 500 nits of brightness and does not display clear content in sunlight. The refresh rate of the iPad mini 2021 is same 60Hz, and in addition it has the problem of jelly scroll, which means that one side of the screen refreshes later than the other side, which you may not notice, but it is still annoying and I hope the problem is not hardware. In terms of security, this tablet has a capacitive fingerprint sensor on top, which if you use the tablet vertically is not a good place, but its speed is excellent. The main camera of this device is 12 megapixels. Sharpness and photo details are great for a tablet, but the dynamic range is poor. Thanks to its excellent processor in portrait mode, the subject separates well from the background and the background blur is done naturally. The main camera can record 4K 60 frames per second video, which although it does not have OIS is great for a tablet at this price. The iPad mini 6 has a 12 megapixels ultra-wide selfie camera. Selfies are a bit noisy and do not have good dynamic range, but they show sharpness and detail well. You can also record a 1080p 60 frames per second video with a selfie camera. But what is used of an ultra-wide selfie camera? This camera keeps its angle close to where you are, and when you move the camera follows you, which of course is software. Also, if two people are far apart in image, the camera widens the angle to cover two people, which is great for video calls and video conferencing, but it moves a little too much, which is annoying. In terms of hardware, this tablet is great at this price range. Its chipset is A15 Bionic and it has 4GB of LPDDR4X RAM. This chipset is a 7-core GPU that we've seen in the regular version of the iPhone 13 and works in a little less clock. But its performance is excellent and it does not have any lag or slowness, but it gets hot in heavy and long use, which is not very annoying. The internal memory of the iPad mini 6 is 64 to 256 GB. Apple has finally used USB-C for this iPad, which has better data transfer performance and easier connection to other devices. In terms of software, this device has an iPad OS 15 and has up to 5 years of software support. This software has relatively good personalization capabilities, but the best features is that it is especially made for tablet and its compatibility with the hardware and features of this tablet is excellent. But the battery of this tablet is 19.3 watt-hour of lithium-ion, and in semi-heavy use, it works for more than half a day, which is not good for a tablet. It also supports an 18-watt charger that takes about 90 minutes to fully charge. The iPad mini 2021 has 4 speakers that produce extremely loud sound and produce good low and medium tunes, and the sound is completely clear. Is the iPad mini 6 worth buying? In my opinion, for people who want to have a portable and powerful tablet and be able to adapt to some of its problems, this tablet is really worth buying. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like it, and if you like my content, subscribe to my channel. Goodbye, see you in next video.